Hey, what's going on? It's Josiah back with NACS DCR. Today we're talking about function overloading. Now it might seem a little hard to grasp what function overloading is at first, but trust me, it's really quite simple. Let's start with understanding functions. Functions are sections of code that execute a specific task, and they're used to make coding easier and cleaner. Functions are defined by data types, names, and arguments. Imagine data types like a card's type. Here we can see in the filters, is it a troop, is it a spell, or is it a building? Names are like just any other card's name, as you can see, and you can think of arguments as information that's passed to the function that it will use, such as rarity, level, arena, elixir, any sort of random thing like that. Overloading functions happens when you have functions that perform similar tasks, so similar that you want to make them the same name. In order to do that, you need to make sure their arguments are different. A good example in Clash is using cards or any magic item that you have. When you click on the button to use them on a card, it doesn't display every magic item. Rather, it takes into account what rarity your card is, what magic items you have, even what level. Imagine the function's name is use magic items. Then you'll have multiple versions or overloads of that one name. If your card is rare, like my Goblin Cage here, it will only look at rare wild cards, as you can see here. Also, the Book of Cards rare and Evo Shards. If you have magic coins, it'll show, and it may even look at level depending on if you're level 14 and you need elite wild cards. But opposed to that, if you're looking at a legendary card, it would show different magic items as well. Oopsie, sorry. That along with if you looked at commons or epics. Of course, they would show different things depending on what rarity, and so there'll be a different but similar function for them. That was my short explanation of function overloading in CR. Hope you learned something.